Mistakes are often committed when one explores an area which is unexplored. He comes out of his comfort zone, and that is the reason for a mistake to happen. Is it right to do a mistake? We have seen one thing, that the entire animal kingdom uses their limbs for the purpose of movement, that is walking or moving from one place to another. The early humans also used their four limbs, that is both their hands and legs, to move from one place to another. There were some humans who broke this chain and came out of their comfort zone and made the first attempt to walk on two legs. That was a revolution. They were the ones who were a mistake in the eyes of the other, who continued walking on four limbs. But they are the ones who brought humanity into a revolution. The two hands which got freed when man started walking on two legs were the reason for the entire creation to happen. His both hands were free for creativity. It is a well-known fact that Thomas Edison committed 700 mistakes before he gave birth to electricity. Every time he committed a mistake, he would just laugh it out and say that I am one step closer. If I have to commit 1,000 mistakes, I have already committed 700. Now only 300 are left for me to invent what I am aiming at. It took him 7 years, but finally he gave birth to electricity. What should you do when you commit a mistake? When you commit a mistake, you should laugh it out. But post laughing it out, you should see what learnings you have learned from those mistakes. A mistake committed for the second time becomes a fault. We have seen the modern parents, they stop their children from doing a mistake. It is only the mistake that becomes the biggest teachers for the children. A bird, unless she overcomes a fear of doing a mistake to fly, will never be able to spread her wings and take the flight of freedom.